So we're going to talk about sit up and speak up in this video. Sitting up and speaking up, or standing up and speaking up, is really, really important. I'll tell you what, when I used to watch tutorials online, one of my biggest pet peeves was when someone was whispering and they would sound like they were trying to hide what they were doing from their mom who was in the next room. Nobody wants to hear that with your book. You need to speak up. You need to be clear. You need to be vocal, okay? Remember, this is your voice. Your voice is the only thing they're going to hear. So if you sound meek and not vocally strong in the microphone, it's going to show up in their ears. So remember, speak up. It's just so incredibly important. Project into the microphone, project through the microphone, and you'll get really good results, okay? Now, the next part is sit up or stand up. If you are sitting, sit in a stool, sit in something that doesn't have a back to it. And what that does is that forces you to, sit up straight. So you want to make sure that you're sitting upright. And if you're standing, you want to make sure that you're standing upright. No leaning, no slouching, no, making sounds on your thighs. You want to make sure that you are completely in the moment. Sometimes the best way to project is to do it standing up. Me, I'm 9 feet tall. I like to sit, but when I sit, I do have to remind myself to sit up straight. So if you're going to sit and record, I suggest a stool. If there's an IKEA close to you, they're $5. You can get them for like $5 at like Walmart, Target. You get stools everywhere. They're dirt cheap, okay? You can even sit on, like a freaking paint bucket if you want. I don't care. But whatever you're sitting on, make sure it doesn't have a back and make sure you sit up straight. Not having the back will prevent you from leaning back into it, and we don't want that. We want to make sure that you are upright and projecting with everything you've got.